Subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button. Click the bell button and enjoy latest upload from our channel. Take a bowl, add half cup of aloe vera gel, 1 tablespoon of rose water, petals of a rose. Now cut the petals of rose. Mix all the ingredients and apply this on your face for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, wash your face with water. This will make your skin smooth. Take egg white of 1 egg. Add 1 tablespoon of sugar. Now mix it until it becomes foamy. Apply this pack on your face for 10 minutes. This will make your skin shinier. Take 1 tablespoon of clay. Add powder of 2 charcoal tablets. Now mix them well. Add 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. Now again mix it. Apply this mask for 5 minutes on your skin. It will finish its blackheads on your skin.